Hello, Thunder Bay. City Council recently approved the implementation of plans to reopen more services and facilities as part of the province's Stage 3 plan. Reopenings will take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks so the city staff can get the required resources and changes in place to safely welcome the public back into facilities. The following facilities were approved for reopening: the reopening of Churchill Pool, at Port Arthur Arena in late August, several community centres including North McIntyre, Oliver Road, Current River and West Thunder. Grace Remus Child Care Centre, with priority being given to pre-COVID-19 families receiving care, families who qualified for the emergency child care, and other municipal child care clients with centres that may not have reopened yet, municipal child care staff, and families on wait lists in need of care. Residents can use the online A to Z directory for the most up-to-date listings of city services during COVID-19 and find city contracts for information and essential service appointment bookings. Visit thunderbay.ca/AZ. Restrictions are still in place, including screening before being permitted to enter certain facilities and limits on the size of gatherings. Physical distancing requirements are still in place and frequent hand washing is strongly encouraged. The reopenings announced under Stage 3 are great news for our community and important for the physical and social well-being of all of us. However, with reopening comes an increased risk of spread and a need for increased vigilance by each and every one of us. Now is certainly not the time to become complacent. Under instructions issued by the Medical Officer of Health, all businesses and organizations in the Thunder Bay District Unit area must adopt a policy that requires the public and employees to wear a mask or a face covering. This policy was in effect as of Friday, July 24, 2020 at 12:01 a.m. I was pleased to hear that the Health Unit had taken the step and was bringing a resolution to Council prior to this announcement asking the Health Unit to take this important measure. My resolution wasn't necessary as the Health Unit made the decision in advance of my resolution being debated by Council. The added protection provided by masks helps protect our most vulnerable people who have underlying health issues and seniors. I believe that as we reopen, this added layer of protection that masks provide will be critical. Experts tell us we will likely see a second wave of the virus that will coincide with the regular flu season this fall. There will be more travel, indoor gatherings increasing as a result of Stage 3 reopenings, and possibly schools starting up again. I have always said we must do everything we can as a region to ensure we do not overwhelm the healthcare capacity of our healthcare sector. We have witnessed other jurisdictions that have had catastrophic results if their hospitals are unable to handle any surge that may occur. It's also important for our economy, and especially our local small business owners, that we do not have and need to prevent another shutdown. A second shutdown could be devastating to local businesses and owners. I want to thank everyone for their efforts in limiting the spread of the virus in these unprecedented times. In typical Thunder Bay fashion, you have rallied together and made personal sacrifices to support our community. Thank you, Thunder Bay, and please continue to stay safe.